Okay, this is how you do number 6. I'll try to be steady here. So the function, you go to y equals, and it's going to be sine. And this calculator is not as good as some of your calculators you guys have. But anyways, e to the power 0.5x. Okay, that's going to be the main function. Then y2 is going to be the derivative. So you're going to be doing math. Number 8 for the derivative function. So mine doesn't have the fancy setup, some of yours does, so some of you will have it fancier. But the keystrokes will pretty much be the same. You're going to be putting in y1 because you're finding the derivative of y1. So that's the vars, then toggle to y vars, function y1 to put that in there. For the people that have the basic TI, you can follow along with this. The other people just, it's the same keystrokes. You're going to put x in one of the squares and another x in the other square. Okay, so that's the first derivative. Your second derivative is you're repeating the process, except that you're not doing y1. We're going to do y2 because it's the derivative of y2. So this is going to be math 8 for derivative. Again, vars, y vars, function of y2 this time. And again, you're going to do the x's in there. Okay, so for you to get the nice table that Mr. Record was getting in his, so you can compare, you have the table feature right here. So go to your table set and make sure your table set is starting at 1 and then going up by whole numbers because we want to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's the table. Oh, so there's the first derivative. Sorry, that's the normal function. This is the first derivative. And if you toggle to the right, there's the second derivative. So when he was comparing, you need to find the same sign. Do you see the same sign was time 1, time 2, and time 5. Okay, so that's where both the velocity and the acceleration are the same sign. So that means it is speeding up. So, and then if you want to know which one is going to the right, if you look at your first derivative, the only one from 1 to 5 that that's positive is 4 and 5. So your answer would be 4 and 5 for your time for going to the right. If you compare these, the same sign, speeding up would be 1, 2, and 5. So to the answer to the question, where is the particle moving to the right and speeding up, that would only be at time 5.